Hello. So, like I said, I have a Hobby Lobby. Some sales, some's not. So I did pick these up. This was in the clearance section, and I'm going to put them in my bathroom because we renovated it, and they were only $4.50 from $17.99. And you put a candle here, so I'm gonna put one of my candles that I make. So, and then I love the rustic wood and the flower in the middle with the leaves. So I did pick up two, so it's gonna be in both sides of the mirror. There's a big mirror, so I'm gonna put one in the right and one in the left. So they were both $4.50. So I'm glad I found both of them at the clearance section. So that's that. Then I did pick up the jewelry that was on sale and some beads, and the paper studio was on sale. So I picked up these glass beads, and these are 8mm, and the code is 2034148. I love the colors of these. I love all of these. These not so much. So I picked that up, and I love that it came in its own container. Then I picked up this. This was also on sale. It was $9.99, and these are already attached in a bead. And so the only thing you have to do is add it to anything, and it has its own jump ring on it. So that's nice. So it's this one is not white. This one is like a dark brown or gold. This one is like a purple. This one is a blue, and that's a crystal. So it's 4 different colors. Then the Poetic Spirit jewelry was on half off. These I picked up. So I picked up 3 of them. So you just have to attach the part where the earring goes, and that's it. You just have yourself a nice pair of earrings. So that's what I'm going to do for all 3, and I'm going to send them to my 2 daughters and for myself. So that's something I want to do. Then I did pick up these tassels from the paper studio. They were half off. So you get 3 colors of the same. So it's 12 tassels. And that number is 1276385 if you're interested. And then I picked up these little charms. I think they're so cute. They reminded me of Maggie Holmes for some reason. I don't know why. And that code number is 1987148. This was not on sale. I did pay the full price. But it's the bead design, the pastel acrylic pearl mix. So I'm going over the colors. And it also has like little skinny pearls there. So pick that up. Then I picked up some of these. I've always go to Hobby Lobby and look for it, but I never find it. So I did pick these up. And the leaf trim green. But I also picked it up in pink, in blush, and in gold. So I think that's pretty. You could also put it in Happy Mail, a couple of them. So then I picked up some papers. They were on sale. So I picked up 8 sheets each. So I picked up 8 of these. They were 59 cents, but they are from the paper studio, so it was half off, 50% off. And that number is 1590538. Just the girls. That's the name of the paper. So I picked up 8 of them. Then I picked up this one, which is cute. You could fussy cut that B. And that one is 1434893. 59 cents also, but it was 50% off. And then I picked up this one, little llamas. They're cute. So that number is 1590603. Fun Llamas is called. Then I did pick up the, last time I went, it wasn't on sale. And so this time they were. So I was happy. I got 2 of this one. I'm not going to open them up because you've seen them. I did pick up 2 of that one. The pink passport paper crafting from Paper Studio. It was 50% off. Then I picked up 2 of this one. Because that's all they had. I would have picked up more. And so that one. And then I picked up 2 of this one. What's her name? Fab and Fearless. That's her. And then I picked up the watercolor girls. Those are, the die cuts are so pretty. I've seen them in people's YouTube videos. So I was hoping that when I did go on, when was it that I went? On Saturday, that it was half off. Because last Saturday I went and they weren't at all. The Paper Studio was not on sale. Then I picked up these 2 cords. The 4mm craft cord. Pink and a mint. And they were full price. So, and I'll show you what I'm going to make with these. Then for Walmart, I picked up, I think 4 little things. Picked up this yarn. Hometown is called. It's 81 yards, 5 ounce. And it's acrylic, 100% acrylic. So I fell in love with the color. And I'm gonna do something with that and that together. Then I picked up a pink. And this one is 5 ounce, 81 yards. Also acrylic. And it's Hometown also. Then I picked up these jump rings. There are 3 sizes. There's 42 pieces in here. So you get the small one, the medium, and the large. But they have a design on them, which I fell in love with. So I didn't see them ever there in Walmart. So they only had 2, so I picked both of them up. And that is it for Walmart and Hobby Lobby. As always, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them down below. I do get to you relatively quick. And an update on my craft room. I'm finished, but my husband still has to do a, he wants to make a light in the closet over here. So I don't know if to show you without it, because he's going to take his time on doing it. And also the other old craft room is not painted yet. So he's taking his time on that. So I don't know if you want me to show you how they look now, or you want to wait for it to be painted, the old craft room and the light in the closet to be finished. So let me know in the comments below. I want to know your ideas, because I've been waiting and waiting, and I was thinking you guys must think that what happened to the craft room. So that's my dilemma. I'm waiting for my husband to finish the light here and paint it. And he's like, oh, I'm taking my time, because now he's working outside since it did get cool outside. It's not freezing cold, so he's starting to work the outside. So I think when it starts getting cold outside, then he starts doing the inside since it's warm inside. So I don't think it's gonna be done anytime soon. So let me know if you want to see it the way it is now, and then I show you later on with the light and the new painting in the other room. So leave it down in the comments below. I would love to know, and with your depending on what you say, that's what I'll do. Thank you so much. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below to see if you want me to show you the craft room and the office / sewing room now or later when everything is done. So if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. Thank you and take care. Bye.